That is the sign of landing of big money. When Emefiole give you jala in official rank.
Oh, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Tẹ́ni ọmọ ológo mo mú ròyìn ńlá kan wá fún yín. Àṣẹ Emefiole ti ń jẹ olè tipẹ́ wá gbàsírí ńlá 27 trillions ní different banks bíi 27 banks. Àbí ń gbọ́ dára. Ẹ wá dúdú owó tí wọ́n ní kọ́kọ́ tí wọ́n ní Emefiole gbé sí different bank. Ìyá dẹ̀ ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn wà lẹ́ ìyáwó owó kí lẹ̀ ń yá. Òun náà ni mo fi mọ̀ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ mú corruption ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń yáwó owó wo lẹ̀ ń já àwọn owó eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ ti nílẹ̀ ńkọ́ gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ẹ bá rí ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbowó ọwọ́ wọn ni. Àwọn owó ìgan tó san gbèsè nígbà tẹ́ ẹ bá mú wọn torí wípé wọ́n máa ní kọ́sísẹ̀ kan mú kinní kan bì kan ẹ ti sáré fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ tàbí tó ń bá ti dẹ́sẹ̀ lẹ̀ ẹ fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn owó wa ẹ wo nǹkan tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe ẹ mọ iye àwọn tẹ́ ẹ ti gbé ẹlòmíì yín nígbà tán bá àrẹsẹ̀ ìmí àlọ́ rẹ̀ gbé kọ́là sọ́rùn ìmí máa lọ rẹ̀ máa dákú lọ ẹ wò gbàtàn mú dínú mànáyè náà ẹ wò bóun náà ṣe ń dákú dájí àìmọye owó palliative náà máàrún tí wọ́n gbé ńgbà náà ẹ wò bó ṣe ń dákú kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tẹ́ ẹ bá mólè tẹ́ tún fi wọ́n lẹ̀lẹ̀ bóyá kẹ́ ẹ kúkú change gbogbo àwọn tó wà nù ọgbà DSS àwọn RRS kẹ́ ẹ change everybody wọn kẹ́ ẹ kó àwọn míì tó bá dájú síbẹ̀ kó já àwọn ọ̀dájú àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn ojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ gíga àwọn máa yé àwọn ọmọ tí ò rán yàn tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti ṣèkà fún nígbà tiwọn náà káwọn náà díù pẹ̀lú wọn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ yahoo yahoo lẹ lè máa mú àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ àwọn mi ò ní yahoo yahoo dá o bọ̀tà wọn lẹ lè mú sáwọn eléègò ojú yà ìmọ̀ pé àgbà yahoo làwọn eléè ni àgbà yahoo làwọn eléè náà ó lè táwọn eléè ti ń jà ti pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mú ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n fi ọwọ́ òfin gbé Emefiole ẹ jẹ́ kí Emefiole ka àwọn tó bá wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ àwọn tó bá yẹ pọ́n jọ ń jalè ẹ ka àwọn ẹ fọwọ́ òfin gbé wọn ẹ fòfin dè wọ́n. mo tún ti rí kan lórí TVC News lẹ́yìn tó sọ wípé kò sí agbára lọ́wọ́ president láti lè sáàkì governor CBN governor but ó lè jalè ẹ bá mi wo fídíò yìí.
It's embarrassed because if you look at the budget presentation, look at the debt service. The debt service is almost above capital, 3-point-something trillion. Why I say it's embarrassing is for the first 16 or to 25 years back, Nigerian money are looted, keep it. Some they put our money like dead bodies in the grave. They buried our money. Some they carry our money abroad. Why can't the government make a strong interrogation and investigation team? Call back these people, investigate, bring back our money to implement the budget. We have to stop borrowing because we don't know tomorrow. Why? That is my worry. If you look at an example, an estimate, a woman, a single person, the former petroleum minister, he went with $60 billion. That is 5 years budget. 5 years Nigerian budget, her alone. And there is thousands of her. If there is real investigation, there is thousands like her. So when we investigate, we can spend 20 years, next 20 years, we will not borrow. We will implement budget with our recovered money. So seriously, this government said they are fighting corruption. They are fighting corruption. But I never see fighting corruption. Because we are saying we are fighting corruption, but we are going very slowly, and we are saying by mouth, but we are not acting practically. If there is strong investigation, strong interrogation team in this country, I am sure we will not borrow any money. Sadly, if you look at the issue of revenue. They say revenue formula is already gone down. Oil has already left up in many countries in the world. Oil has gone down. If we look at this country, before oil recovered in this country, we were implementing and running the government with the farming money generated through cotton and groundnut. And we use that money to explore oil. We use that money to get the oil. Why we abandon the farming? Look at our teeming youth going on employment. Look at our forest. Only criminals are living inside. Why can't we clear all this forest, allocated to our teeming youth, funded them, go for farming? If we can do this across the seas, our geopolitical zone, I am sure we will get money better than oil, and we will fund it budget without borrowing. But the most embarrassing is debt service. Look at the debt service. Finally, what I assume is why I say we have to recover our stolen money. We are paying debt to the money which is being stolen. Our teeming Nigerians never enjoy that money, and we are still paying debt. The money that we're supposed to complete our railways, our road, our education, our health, our security is going on debt. And this debt is in some individual pocket. Went to individual pocket. Go around this town, go around this country. Look at the type of mansion people are living in, government officials, and they say they are fighting corruption. Go to Metama, go to Asokoro, go to Lagos, go to Port Harcourt. See people living in mansion and they are government officials. Is their salary get that mansion for them? And we say we are fighting corruption. If we are really fighting corruption in this country, we will not borrow money to fund. It's an embarrass. I am worried. Even my blood pressure go high as I had the debt service. 3.something trillion debt service. While people are suffering in this country, some are living with 1 square meal. They eat once. So if we can do a proper, strong anti-corruption, not this by mouth, we act it practically. If you go, you can see a 1 billion mansion owned by a government official, and they say that we are fighting corruption. Salary of his 1,000 year. Did he serve for 1,000 year? He served for 35 years. Where did he get 1 billion mansion? If we are serious, you can see still person serving inside the government, owning a big house, billions, estate. You can see business places here owned by government officials, and we say we are fighting corruption. We are joking. We are joking. So it's embarrassed. So we have to educate our teeming people. We have to educate our people. We have to force the government. And I am advising to Mr. President to look at this, my advice. We have to go back to strong interrogation and investigation team that we will investigate and bring back our looted money to stop borrowing. To stop borrowing.
Thank you very much.
That is my.
Sir, please,
Thank you very much.
your name, please.
My name is Hon.Gudaje Kazaure, and also a speaker of the masses. That is my name. Representing Kazaure, Roni, Wiwa, and Enkwashi. I'm from Jigawa State. That is representing 4 local government. One of the largest constituent in the country.
Thank you very much, sir.
My name is Hon.Gudaje Kazaure. If you look at the situation, when I entered the chamber today, as a deputy civilian governor is here before the floor of the house, I quickly came late, but I rushed. I meet her. When I raised my hand, Speaker intended to allow me to contribute, but he seek the advice of the deputy speaker. The deputy speaker told him that he should not allow me to talk. And definitely Nigeria must know why the deputy speaker tells the speaker that they should not allow me to question the deputy civilian governor. Because I came with my documents, because all the questions they are questioning her, they didn't question her what is supposed to ask her about the economic of the country. The CBN, they are hidden monies in different accounts, which is the money is enough to solve the nation debt, local and the international, to fund the budget without borrowing, and to even add our foreign reserve. So that is why they're supposed to ask her that question. What is that money are? I am sure media, you see, we released some document through the point blank. We released 29 account names and number where the 70 trillion is there. If somebody said that money, there is no that money, and the money is more than 70 trillion or 80 trillion we are mentioning. But why the leadership refused to allow me to talk, to ask her a question? That is question number one. Then question number two, if you look at the situation we are going in this country now, the people in the village, all of you have villages, you know villages. Some villages there is no network. Some villages there is no bank. Our local people that are selling fish, yam, maize, rice, animals, in the villages, they are not using bank. Some they don't have bank account. Look at the frustration is coming in the next days. I want you media to understand this, what I am saying. In the next 1 month, this country, the frustration will be high. You have to educate the government and the people. They say if a man from village come to the local government from his village with his money like 100,000 or 200,000 to change in the bank, they will not give him cash while he came with the cash. He must open account. Somebody from the local government to his village is almost 50 kilometers. Somebody can spend 1 month, 2 months, he never come to the local government headquarters. He is doing his business with his money. He don't have bank account. When he brought his money to the bank, they will not give him cash as he brought cash. He must open account and give him a ATM card. While in his village, no network, no bank, no ATM, no POS. So how village people can do business with the cash? This is what media is supposed to educate Nigerian people to understand. A village people, how now can you use cash? You cannot use cash and buy and selling in the village market. How are they survive? And majority of the Nigerian people are common people. Almost 150 to 130 million people, they are suffering. So I surprised this leadership. They refused to allow me to talk. I don't know why. Oh, because they are benefiting from the CBN. I don't know. I don't know why. The deputy CBN governor that money hidden in different accounts in the CBN that is enough to solve the nation debt, national and international. Why they refuse to open stamp duty central account to move that money to settle the nation debt, to fund our budget without borrowing? This is what I want to ask her. That money in different account hidden in the CBN. If you can see point blank, they released 29 account with the names, with the money of 70 trillion. Is anybody came and challenge them that account number is lie? So it means the 70 trillion is there hidden in different account, in different commercial banks, including the CBN, but under watch and control of the CBN. So that is why I want to ask her, why are they fear to open stamp duty central account? Secondly, why Emefiole run away?